My mom told me I'm a child when it comes to behavior. I'm a child-ass kid who becomes a child that lives. I'm a dreamer, believer, and achiever. You see, deep inside I think I'm a quitter because I don't like pain, but even though I don't know how to play the game, I keep on trying because in my heart I have passion and I'm not giving up. I felt what most people didn't when trying to chase something big and so above their standards. I'm out as quick as a popsicle. I get up if it's possible because how I felt at one point, it made me feel good. I felt unstoppable. Today I've been falling apart, feeling abandoned is not good. I wish I could restart the mind, wind down for a second, breathe in and breathe out. Put my coffee mug on the table and let it chill if I let it. As minutes go by, seconds go to waste, sitting there in pain with the same old face. No time to waste as I wasted half of my life correcting my mistakes, keeping me up in the middle of the night. Sometimes I cry because I fear I won't live my life the way I want to live it. If life keeps breaking me and knocking me off the shelf, forget it. I won't ask for help and jump off the cliff and risk it. I hope I dive into a pool of holy water as my head gets hotter. I might stop feeling broken. I was never given a token to enjoy this ride. As I walk through shame and try to hide, I'm quiet in public, scared of rejection. That's just how I keep myself protected. Better yet, there was this day I was forced to bang and throw signs. I was in the middle of getting my ass beat half the time, walking home after school, hoping it was the end to the sidewalk. So why stalk? I just wanted to turn and escape my nightmares, stare with passionate eyes, and feel nervous to the flesh and bone. I just hope one day I'm just left alone. My mom told me once I was a waste of skin. Say, if this is something you want, I don't want to win. Forgive me, Lord, that I'll serve my audience with poetry, but if I did wrong, would you let me in? Would you notice me? My mom tells me she's my mom and dad, and that's something I had to grab and talk about right off the bat, because at times I'm sad that I didn't get to spend the last few moments with the last dad I had. But fuck it, I guess it happens for a reason. As my dad batters my mom's face with fears, I'm just glad she's breathing. I'm young but pissed. I didn't want to be like him, but after death, I know God won't let him in. But if he goes to hell, I'm walking in the same door as him because I'm not perfect. I'm bad as well, and apparently a waste of skin. As I cry, I melt. I felt my life is lit tonight. I give it the reason why I write. I am her kid.